Ever wondered about the characteristics of the Neea Buxifolia? Today we'll delve into the fascinating details of this unique plant. The Neea Buxifolia is a tropical and subtropical plant, often found in bonsai collections due to its small leaves and woody trunk. This makes it an ideal candidate for creating miniature tree landscapes. It's also used in coastal rock garden and xeriscape landscape themes. Its blooming season stretches from spring to summer, with the flowering duration extending for 4 to 6 weeks. This plant is a magnet for pollinators, attracting bees and butterflies, and it provides a habitat, as well as food for a variety of insects and animals. Birds, too, are drawn to this plant, making it a valuable addition to any wildlife-friendly garden. When it comes to tolerances, the Neea Buxifolia has a moderate drought tolerance and a high heat tolerance. However, it's intolerant to frost and has a low tolerance to soil compaction. It's moderately tolerant to wind, shade, and salt. This plant thrives in the USDA plant hardiness zones 10 to 11. Problematic insects for this plant include aphids, scale insects, and mites. However, it has no documented allelopathic properties, which means it doesn't inhibit the growth of other plants nearby. While the Neea Buxifolia is not widely recognized for its erosion control potential, it does stabilize the soil with its root system. It's also known to have a moderate capacity for naturalization. Despite its many uses, the Neea Buxifolia is not known for its edibility. No parts of this plant are known to be edible or poisonous. It's not listed as toxic to dogs or cats by the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, and there's no known evidence of it causing contact dermatitis. Its air-purifying qualities haven't been established, and it's not widely recognized for its medicinal properties. In summary, the Neea Buxifolia is a versatile plant with a host of characteristics that make it a valuable addition to any garden, particularly for bonsai enthusiasts. Its ability to attract a variety of wildlife, coupled with its aesthetic appeal, make it a plant worth considering. So next time you're looking to add a new plant to your collection, why not consider the Neea Buxifolia?